Andalapai ke bentang pada John Madur, body diocesan administrator, ban penpau ya ka kentin ai kublai ya boro. Kinsan sengolung ka mensim tipat ba bat jau man. Katkum ke jingkran jemu, lapau ke jing saknot jemu, namar udan barabor hajan jong bishop. Ha keju pi yang kesem, bat tengkhat upen pau ba kejumi ke jingadom bat keno iwei ya iwei. Habat ko ke kam. Henry Archbishop uhon ka mensim bat pen bet ya ke jing dona. Upten linti yu kum operlok bat ha keju ke poru kum men. Bat pen paru ya ke jumam poi perkhat bakandai ke sengi bakhadu. Bon let ban bu yu Archbishop Syabon let na ke bentar ke meeting hanong ba room. Wala yolat banyak kenduk syu Henry kimati bolak kedu kandai im bat sa do hu.
On behalf of the Archdiocese of Shillong, I would like to propose a vote of thanks. First of all, we thank the Almighty for the gift of our beloved Archbishop. We still need the Archbishop, but we bow to the holy will of the Almighty. We thank His Holiness Pope Francis, who sent a message of condolence to the faithful of the Archdiocese of Shillong. We thank the Apostolic Nuncio in India, Archbishop Giambattista, for his message of condolence. We thank Archbishop Mulachira of Guwahati, President of the Conference of Catholic Bishops of Northeast India, for presiding over the Holy Mass. We thank Archbishop Joshua and Bishop Victor Lingdo for the beautiful homilies. We thank Archbishop Luman for the commendation, and we thank Archbishop Anil Kutu, who will perform the burial rites for our Archbishop. We also thank all our bishops and priests present here. We thank the government of India for helping us through the Indian Embassy and the Consulate in San Francisco, California. We thank our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi for his beautiful message on the death of the Archbishop. We thank the Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Tathagata Roy, for his personal visit and message of condolence. We thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma, and the government of Meghalaya for helping us from the moment we heard the news about the demise of our Archbishop. Sir, we deeply appreciate the help that you rendered to our Archdiocese. We thank all the ministers of the government of Meghalaya. We do not have words enough to express our gratitude to you. We thank Shri Medba Lingdo, the Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, for his visit and message. We thank Dr. Mukul Sangma, the leader of the opposition in Meghalaya. We thank the members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and the members of the Khasi Autonomous District Council. We thank the Chief Minister of Assam for the help rendered to us on the day when we brought the mortal remains of the Archbishop to Shillong. We thank Shri K.J. Alphonse for the help you rendered us. We thank Archbishop Anil Kutu and Father Jervis of the CBCI for receiving the mortal remains of the Archbishop at the Delhi airport. We also thank Father Stephen Alatara from the CBCI for being present here today. We thank the district administration, both in the Khasi Hills district and the Ribhoi district, for your immense help. We thank the police department of Meghalaya and Assam, especially the traffic police of Shillong. We thank the family members of our Archbishop. You share our loss, we share your grief. We thank our friends from America for the help that you rendered to us. We thank Father Abraham Brown of Sacramento, who informed us about the accident. Thank you, Father Arul and Mrs. Ninfa Jacobs of Corpus Christi Diocese. Thank you, Father Paulson and Father Johnson of Oakland Diocese. We have heard already what you have helped us. We thank the leaders of different religions and churches for your prayers and support at this hour of grief. We thank those of you who sent us messages of condolence and those who gave your messages today. We thank the priests and the faithful, the groups and communities who led us in prayers and worship for the past 11 days and today. We thank the clergy of the Archdiocese, of the Diocese of Norstein, the religious, both men and women. You have supported us in every way. We thank the print media and the print and the electronic media. We thank all of you who in one way or the other had helped and supported us. We would love to mention each one of you by name, but time and circumstance would not permit us. Thank you, St. Clare's School at Gawati and the parish of Umsning. A very special thank you to you, Mr. Vincent Pala, our Honorable Member of Parliament, who, like a dear family member, like a brother, you went personally to California to assist in the bringing back of the mortal remains of the Archbishop. God bless you, Ma Vincent. A special thanks to the laity of our Archdiocese, the Catholic Association, Kasunjuk ki Sangrang Ba Catholic, Kasunjuk ki Kentay Catholic, the Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement. Thank you. You have proved to be a very responsible laity. We thank the fathers and the staff at the Archbishop's house. To us, the death of the Archbishop is a personal loss. On a very personal note, I would like to say, Your Grace, thank you for the past 18 years that we have been through together. Thank you for trusting me all this while. Very often, I have not come up to your expectation, but you were patient with me. We have been through thick and thin. Sometimes we succeeded, sometimes we failed. Sometimes we laughed at our folly, sometimes we blame it on each other, but we stuck on. We have started together so many things. Sometimes we completed, sometimes we stopped halfway. So often, I took you for granted. Now that you are gone, I lost a teacher, I lost a guide, I lost a friend, I lost an elder brother. I have no one to consult. I have no one to look up to. Just now, I am bewildered. For the past week, I dreaded the word condolence. I just wished it was like the 16th of September, the night before you left for the Ad Limina visit, when I drove for you for the last time. All these days, I tried to put up a brave face. I hope you understand. When all this is over, I just want to say, Grace, rest in peace. Please pray for the church. Pray for the archdiocese. Pray for the priests and the religious of the archdiocese and the diocese of Northstoin. Pray for your family members. Pray for your loved ones. Goodbye, your grace. We will meet at the feet of Jesus. Let's soak Archbishop Bay.